You gave it some thinking, didn't you? You're unsure whether to start or if the top self-improvement videos on YouTube are there for another purpose. Hello, I found you on the channel. In a recent video, we debate whether it is beneficial to meditate or whether doing so is pointless. First of all, one of the finest ways to begin a self-retrospective is probably through meditation. Do this job first thing in the morning, and you'll soon notice a difference in how easily you wake up, since you'll have something to do right away. Another benefit is that you will see improvement in the way the schedule is set up for the particular day. Along with learning more about yourself, you'll have a better understanding of other people, their actions, and the situations they find themselves in. I stopped smoking, for instance, by meditating. Considering that I had this poor habit for a long time, it was a difficult journey. Soon, videos about drug users being abandoned will be released. To get back on track, what does it mean to meditate? To be in a perplexing circumstance similar to the monks living in the mountains in those movies? Not. You can meditate any way you like. All you need to do is briefly exit your body, enter your mind, and unlock every drawer there is. Start by putting each folder in the drawers in the order you believe will be most effective. Look back on the past while meditating, but do not dwell there. Take a glance at the future, but don't let your aspirations consume you. Instead, consider the path ahead and relish the ride. But it's crucial to live in the moment and appreciate it while you're meditating. You must first meet a few requirements in order to experience the full advantages of meditation. You need calm to navigate your own mind, so go find some peace and quiet. Be one with both the light and the dark. I know that sounds a little strange, but try to be present in your environment. Because of this, I would advise meditating once in the morning when you get up and once in the evening before you go to sleep if you want to get the most out of this habit. So become accustomed to these two distinct times of day. It's crucial to avoid being distracted from meditation by anything, including a message that pops up on your phone. Keep in mind that this is a time for you and for you. You don't respect yourself enough if you allow yourself to become sidetracked. If you think about it this way, not looking at your phone while in a meeting is a sign of courtesy. Use meditation to change this societal norm into the former circumstance. As in the example given above, others will perceive you as uninterested, unable to concentrate on a single task, and very dependent on social media. You won't even remember where you started or who you were previously in a few months. You'll have a hazy idea of who you are in a sense that you don't understand why you were that way. Personally, I go through this frequently. I reflect on how it was a month, a year, or a week ago and wonder why I was that way. I find it difficult to comprehend how I could have been that depressed. It may seem unusual that I complete this work this week and feel that I'm in a better place, but doing the same thing the next week is a very good indication that you are in a cycle of personal growth. Keep going as you are. This is the best indication I have that you are in the correct place. We'll quickly go through the other advantages of meditation because I think the behaviors I'll outline here are the result of a number of factors coming together. But keep in mind that one of the most crucial habits is meditation. After you start meditating, your physical activity and physique will start to look more and more appealing because you'll be able to structure your exercise routine while also being motivated. You will have a starting point from which you alone will become your biggest enemy, and you will look for any way to give up these bad habits, even if that means giving up your old one in the process. This will make it much easier for you to give up addictions, whether they be smoking, drinking, or watching adult movies. You'll experience a deeper, more restful sleep, which is another excellent incentive to start. Your current and future relationships will get better thanks to you. It might help you understand that you're not with the appropriate person or in the proper environment. Just be careful not to go too far and become completely convinced that just because you meditated for 3 days and during that time you came to the conclusion that your girlfriend isn't right for you, that does not necessarily mean that it is the case. Instead, try to think about everything in greater detail, be objective, and use meditation to achieve this objectivity. Now that I've discussed some factors and areas of personal development where meditation is beneficial, the most crucial thing to remember is to start when you feel the timing is perfect, focus on improving yourself constantly, and continue competition with others. I hope I kept you informed up until this point. If it was, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons as it really aids my efforts. Keep your head up. You still have a life to live until we speak again.